The existence of perfected men is one of the most important of the many new facts which Theosophy puts before us. It follows logically from the other great theosophical teachings of karma and evolution by reincarnation. As we look around us, we see men obviously at all stages of their evolution. Many far below ourselves in development, and others who in one way or another are distinctly in advance of us. Since that is so, there may well be others who are very much further advanced. Indeed, if men are steadily growing better and better through a long series of successive lives tending towards a definite goal, there should certainly be some who have already reached that goal. Some of us in the process of that development have already succeeded in unfolding some of those higher senses which are latent in every man and will be the heritage of all in the future. And by means of those senses, we are enabled to see the ladder of evolution extending far above us as well as far below us. And we can also see that there are men standing upon every rung of that ladder. There is a considerable amount of personal testimony to the existence of these adepts. Colonel Olcott, the co-founders of the Theosophical Society, Dr. Annie Besant, our present president, and I myself, all of us have seen these great ones, and many other members of the Society have also been privileged to see one or two of them, and there is ample testimony in what all these people have written. Furthermore, this is no new thing. There has always been a brotherhood of adepts, the great white brotherhood. There have always been those who knew, those who possessed this inner wisdom, and our masters are among the present representatives of that mighty line of seers and sages. I would refer you for further details about them to a book I myself have written called The Masters and the Path, and to many other volumes in the theosophical literature. For part of the knowledge which they have garnered during countless eons is now available to everyone under the name of Theosophy. But many who hear about the masters and their teachings feel an intense desire to understand them fully and to enter their service. The more a man learns, the more does he become filled with the wonder and beauty and glory of the plan, and the more anxious does he become to take part in the work. Once he has realized that God has a plan, he wants to be a fellow worker with God, and nothing else can possibly bring him satisfaction. Then he begins to ask himself the question, what must I do next? The answer is study and work. He must study first that he may work intelligently. What must he study? For one who has never heard of the subject before, I should recommend my own little pamphlet, An Outline of Theosophy. But for one who has a general grasp of the idea, I think that the best book would be First Principles of Theosophy by Mr. C. Jnanarajadasa. This is especially valuable because of the diagrams which it contains. It is possible for a man who is really in earnest to be taken in hand by one of these great ones and to be definitely trained in the world's work. A few of these great adepts, who are thus working for the good of the world, are willing to take as apprentices those who have resolved to devote themselves utterly to the service of mankind. And such adepts we call masters. But before an adept definitely accepts anyone, he must know that the man is really the kind of person whom he can draw into intimate contact with himself. And that is the object of the stage called probation. In that stage, the man is directed as to how he should prepare himself to be most useful to the world. And when the teacher is certain about that, he will gradually guide the man through further stages of spiritual evolution until he becomes worthy to enter that great and glorious brotherhood of which I have already spoken. To see this scheme of development is to throw oneself into it, to strive for evermore to be one with it, even though in the very humblest capacity. For he who works with God is working for eternity and not for time. And in all the eons of life for us, his work can never fail.